What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Happy to have you on here. So today we're discovering Notta.ai, which is a tool that allows you to record your meetings and transcribes them and gives you transcripts of whatever was said during the meeting. So you record sensitive conversations on your computer, turn them into transcripts locally, and keep audio notes and files where you control them. So basically, this tool allows you to record your meetings and process them totally offline. So what is Nota? Privacy mode. What Nota desktop privacy mode does: local transcription, no cloud processing, audio and transcripts stay on your device. Unlimited local transcription works offline after local setup. Local or cloud transcription, you choose what you want to do. So it's really a privacy focused tool as well. I'm sure it does have a pricing, and when we go to the pricing page, we're going to see that we have a free option as well and equally paid options as well. So you can see the different things. So key features: it allows you to transcribe meetings across the online calling systems, Zoom, Meet, and so on and so forth. And when you go for the paid version, you're going to have additional features like exporting your transcripts, transcript translations, custom vocabulary, and so on and so forth. So it's a tool that really has a lot of features going for it, AI transcription, automatic translation, AI notes, bilingual transcription, meeting recorder, meeting scheduler, Nota brain, Nota desktop, and so on and so forth. And so yeah, for all those professionals who are looking for tools which allow them to really record their meetings, you can definitely check out this one.